Your body has the capability of tripling your testosterone production if you know how to do it. Now remember, if you're male and you're feeling tired all the time, you don't have enough strength, maybe you're losing muscle mass, and even you might not even have the hairs you want on your face or the body hair that really characterizes in male dominance, well then what might you be missing is testosterone. And you can triple it naturally without hormones, without injections, without supplements. You can do this naturally if you know how to do it. So that's what I'm going to teach you today in this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can boost and triple the testosterone you have in your system, and do it naturally, by the way. No hormones, no supplements, the way that nature actually has meant for us to boost hormone production, and hormones that really keep you healthy, with your mind clear. They could keep a good memory, make sure that you have strength, you have the body hair or the characteristics that really characterize men in a healthy state. Testosterone is a healthy hormone. It's an anabolic hormone, meaning it produces or makes you gain muscle mass, strength, make you produce certain pathways in your brain to make sure that you are always alert, sometimes even a little aggressive, which is not bad. It's actually something healthy in the male sex way of being. The same way that there's a feminine way of being, there's a male way of being. And hormones are actually and have to do a lot with how you feel. Now, before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. Maybe in the future video that I do publish with something I say that might not even be intentional in a video could actually save your life. Number one, you need a hormone boosting nutrition. Nutrition is everything. And if you think about it, sometimes they'll tell you this is not healthy. Like, for example, red meats are not healthy, you can't eat them. But the reality is that these proteins, these meats, are boosting hormone foods that you should be consuming to make sure that you can triple those hormones, these testosterone levels that you're looking for. Why do they tell you that red meat is not nutritious? Actually, it's one of the most nutritious foods a male subject can have. As a matter of fact, the way you eat influences directly what hormones you are producing. If you eat a lot of linseeds, for example, you're going to have a lot of estrogen being produced in your body. If you eat lots of meat, protein, healthy fats, sometimes even certain carbohydrates, you're going to have testosterone being produced and being tripled inside your body. So make sure that you're looking for foods that are producing this kind of hormone that you're looking for. So for example, focus on rice, potatoes, oats, fruits, legumes. Focus on red meats, on chicken, on eggs, maybe raw, or if you want cooked, it doesn't really matter. But make sure that you're consuming these type of foods that are boosting the production of testosterone that you're looking for. Now you have to avoid ultra-processed foods. You have to avoid frequent alcohol consumption. You have to avoid refined vegetable oils. These are not going to help. They're going to damage that testosterone production. Instead of making things better, they are going to make things a lot worse. Now, if you need something natural at the same time can help you with these healthy fats, look for omega-3 max cod caps or virilitize from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number two, look for testosterone boosting exercises. The same way there are foods that will boost your testosterone production, there are also exercises that are going to be the right kind of exercises with the right intensity and enough recovery time that will boost the production of testosterone. You want strength training. You want 3 to 4 times per week of good, very strong weight training. You need to make sure that your muscles are feeling the pressure. They're feeling the pressure to grow. And this is what is going to activate later on in your pituitary gland and your brain the production or the stimuli to be produced in your testicles of the testosterone you're looking to produce. Now, apart from weight training and making sure you have a good strength of muscles, you might want to take in once or twice a week a HIIT training, HIIT, which is basically sprints or cycling for 30 or 40 seconds at a time intervals that will actually make you give that strength of 90 to 100% on your body, that will push your body to produce more hormones because it will understand that you really need the strength to make sure that your muscles are up to date with what you are really requiring every single day in the work you're doing and the physical activity you are stimulating. If you want something natural that can give you more energy and make sure that you have your thyroid in order, which sometimes has a lot to do with why you're not producing enough testosterone and nothing works, look for something like metathyroid. Look for something like Virilitize, Prostatine, and CarQ Health from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, you need deep, consistent sleep. Sleep is the recovery time to make sure that everything else is shut down and that you're growing muscle. But if you're going to grow muscle, what really needs to stimulate this production or this growth of muscle is testosterone. 90% of the testosterone you're looking to produce is produced while you sleep. So good sleep is not optional. It's an anabolic trigger. It needs to happen. And you want more than 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. You want good quality sleep. You want to make sure that you have a fixed schedule, that you're going to bed every day at the same time, and that you're waking up also at the same time. You want a dark, cool, screen-free bedroom also. Don't be watching TV or looking at your cell phone. And you need a sleep routine with no screens 60 minutes before going to bed. If you're having lights on your eyes, well, guess what? During your sleep, you're probably going to be half awake because you're not in that deep sleep cycle that you need in order to produce and triple that testosterone that you're looking for. When you go to sleep, do not take anything like alcohol, which wrecks that sleep cycle that you're looking for, or marijuana, or even those irregular sleep hours that you're looking sometimes to have because you're partying, because you're out on a party. This is not going to help. This is going to damage that testosterone production, and you're never going to have that triple net that you're looking for because you really need the sleep in order for this to happen. Number 4, lower stress and cortisol levels. Chronically high cortisol stress will decrease testosterone production. Guess what? You have a good sexual relationship when you are less stressed. And this happens because you have more testosterone. It's part of the human body and how it works. Now, you need 15, maybe 20 minutes a day of deep breathing meditation. If you're one of those people who are constantly stressed, you don't have a time where you pray every day, this really helps a lot. Make sure that you meditate. Your body enters in a state where it can produce the hormones it needs, function properly the way it needs to. And with all the stimuli that you have been hearing in this video, then you have everything and all the ingredients you need in order to triple that testosterone production that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.